Browse.ai Review, 2023, a really unique and easy-to-use web scraper, but will it be useful? Build real business. Starts from $98 for lifetime. Features and functionality. 7.5. Customer support and documentation. 6.0/10. Pros. Simple to set up and train the robot to accomplish a variety of tasks. Many pre-built robots to get started easily. Integrations available with Zapier, Pabbly Connect, Make, etc. Cons. Might not work with some websites that requires advanced CAPTCHA. Automation is the name of the name across the SaaS space now. Zapier was a pioneer in the workflow automation space and defined a niche audience for it, but there are more and more tools coming out now that might not be similar but serves the same purpose for you as a business owner or a busy entrepreneur, to save time. No matter if you are a one-person entrepreneur trying your best to start a profitable business, or an established business entity with many employees, saving time always has a significant impact positively on your revenue numbers and profits. Therefore, any software tool that saves your time effectively deserves attention as long as it's easy to set up and use. Browse.ai is one such tool that promises to save your time and effort by helping you to build automation robots to scrape data across the web. How good and useful it is for your business. Dashboard, user interface and features. After you have completed the initial sign-up process, the welcome dashboard gives you two options, namely, extract structured data, monitor site changes. I tried out the extract structured data option with a site called Is Launching Next, which lists new startups and SaaS products every day. The first thing you have to do is to paste the URL you want to extract the data from and log into your account and provide access if the website requires individual login. Next up, you are prompted to install the Chrome extension that will do all the lifting to set up the automation for you. After you have set up the extension, the web page will open in a new tab and you can start selecting all the parameters you need to extract from the page. You can set up to grab lists and take screenshots from the web page at periodic intervals. Once you have selected the lists and texts you need to capture from the page, you can save the list, giving it a name and providing the number of rows to be extracted. The default number of rows is 10 and 100, but you can enter a custom number as well. After saving, you can finish the recording and save the robot by giving it a name for your reference. Now your automation works in the background, and at any point, you would be able to download the list as a CSV file. You can also see the final screen capture and retrain the robot if what you see is not exactly what you wanted to capture. The next step is to set up monitoring for this robot, and here you can mention the periodic interval you want the monitoring to be done. It is also possible to send an alert by email whenever the monitoring is done and there is a change in the text captured. Alerts can also be set up if there is a failure in running the task so that you can rectify the issues immediately and retrain the robot accordingly. After you have set up the monitoring, finally you can integrate and connect with other third-party tools to fetch the extracted data or to process the data further into other useful applications. Integrations available include Google Sheets, Zapier, Webhooks, Airtable, Pabbly Connect. If you are integrating the data with Google Sheets, you have to just connect your account and authorize it. There is also a Google Sheets add-on for Browse.ai that you can install, which will make the process quite seamless. There is also an API available that will give you a lot of flexibility for you to connect many custom apps. In addition to it, there are also a lot of pre-built robots that you can activate easily. Some of the interesting ones I found include extract products from Product Hunt, monitor company info on LinkedIn, extract apps list from Zapier, get Google search results, extract videos from a YouTube channel, extract top posts from Medium, monitor organic Google search results, extract LinkedIn job details. Pricing. There are 3 paid plans in total, ranging from $39 to $249 per month when paid yearly, which is 20% off the monthly price respectively. The main difference between the plans is the number of credits you get per month or year, the number of robots you can set up and run, the time interval between each check, etc. There is also a free plan that lets you run 5 robots and gives access to 200 credits per month. Support. There is live chat support both within the app dashboard and the main website. There is a decent number of how-to tutorial videos as well, explaining how to set up the robot and run the automation. Conclusion. Overall, Browse.ai is a very interesting automation tool that can be used for many different applications to save time and money for your business. Grab the lifetime deal of Browse.ai, available for a limited time, link given in the description below.